Imagine waking up in the morning, and the very first thing you feel is that uncomfortable tingling in your hands or that heavy weakness in your legs. You rub your fingers, hoping the pins and needles go away. You stand up, and your knees almost buckle, reminding you that your legs do not feel as strong as they used to. Now let me tell you something important right from the start. Your body is sending you a signal. And one of the biggest missing pieces could be collagen. In this video, I'm going to snacks that you must eat if you want to say goodbye to tingling hands, weak legs, and that frustrating feeling that your body is aging faster than your spirit. This is not just about food. This is about giving your body the building blocks to stay strong, independent, and full of life even past 60, 70, and beyond. And while you listen, I want you to think about which of these snacks you would actually enjoy eating and tell me in the comments below. Your input helps me create more videos that matter to you, and you may even help another senior who reads your comment and tries your favorite tip. Now let us step into this journey together, like a friend sitting at your kitchen table, because I know what it feels like to worry about losing strength. I have seen too many people accept tingling hands, wobbly legs, and painful joints as if aging, when in truth, bang bad is forest, rebuilds and heals. Collagen is one of the most powerful allies you can give yourself, and it does not have to come from expensive powders or supplements. You can get it right from snacks you may already love, or snacks you will grow to love once you see what they do for your health. Before we dive into the snacks, let me tell you why collagen matters so much. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your body. It holds your joints together, keeps your skin firm, strengthens your muscles, and gives flexibility to your tendons and ligaments. Without enough collagen, your body begins to sag inside and out. Your hands lose grip strength, your legs lose power, and your nerves cry out with tingling and weakness. The truth is that after age 40, our collagen production drops sharply, and after 60, it becomes almost non-existent unless we intentionally replace it. That is why seniors feel the rapid decline. But the beautiful thing is that when you put collagen back in through foods, your body knows it, break it down, and uses it like a worn-out road. Imagine your legs gaining more stability each week, your grip strength coming back, and that annoying tingling fading away. That is possible when you bring these collagen-rich snacks into your routine. So let us start with the first snack. And remember, tell me in the comments which one you want to try first. Snack number 1. Bone broth chips or crisps. This may sound unusual, but companies now make crunchy, savory snacks out of dehydrated bone broth. They are rich in collagen because they are made from simmering animal bones, which release collagen into the broth. When dried into a chip, they make a satisfying crunchy snack without the guilt. Imagine sitting down to watch your favorite show with a bowl of bone broth chips instead of greasy potato chips. You are not only enjoying the crunch, but also feeding your joints, soothing your nerves, and strengthening your legs with every bite. If you have never tried them, this could be your new favorite discovery. Snack number 2. Greek yogurt with collagen powder stirred in. Yogurt on its own already helps with digestion and provides protein, but when you mix in a scoop of collagen powder, suddenly it becomes a super snack. The creamy texture makes it easy to eat even if you have dental issues, and it delivers straight collagen peptides that go right to work repairing tissues. If your hands feel stiff in the morning, having this snack at night can help your body rebuild while you sleep. Think of it as giving your body a repair kit before bedtime. And you can make it even tastier with berries or a drizzle of honey. Snack number 3. Jerky made from grass-fed beef or turkey. This is one of the most portable collagen-rich snacks you can keep in your bag. High-quality jerky is made from cuts of meat that naturally contain collagen, especially if they include connective tissue. Seniors who struggle with weakness often need more protein, and jerky delivers both protein and collagen in one chewy bite. It can keep your muscles strong and your nerves calm while satisfying hunger when you are on the go. GB5 sodium, Südwest Schuzlosorgen, when you can. Snack number 4. Chicken skin crisps. Now, I know many of you grew up being told to avoid chicken skin because of fat, but let me tell you the truth. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. Today, you can find oven-baked chicken skin crisps in health food stores. They are crunchy, flavorful, and packed with collagen that directly supports joint strength and nerve function. Imagine replacing a bag of potato chips with this snack and giving your body something it can actually use to rebuild instead of something that tears it down. Snack number 5. Sardines or salmon bites. These small fish are naturally high in collagen, especially around the skin and bones, which are soft and edible. If you get sardines packed in olive oil, you are not only getting collagen, but also omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation. That combination is powerful for anyone struggling with tingling hands because inflammation often makes nerve pain worse. Eating these fish as a snack, maybe on whole grain crackers, gives your body the healing it has been begging for. Many seniors who added sardines to their weekly diet have reported stronger legs, less pain, and clearer thinking because of the protein and omega-3 synergy. Snack number 6. Pork rinds, but the healthier version. Traditional pork rinds can be greasy, but modern versions baked or air-puffed are rich in collagen and much lighter. They come directly from the skin of the pig, which is pure collagen. This snack gives you the crunch you crave while feeding your joints. Imagine your knees aching less as you climb the stairs just because you swapped out your old chips for this collagen powerhouse. Again, moderation is key, but a few handfuls a week can make a noticeable difference. Snack number 7. Hard-boiled eggs with the membrane. Now here is a secret that many people do not know. The thin film you see when peeling a boiled egg, that little membrane under the shell, is full of collagen. Eating eggs regularly, especially if you include that membrane, gives you natural collagen along with protein and nutrients like biotin and vitamin D. Seniors who snack on hard-boiled eggs between meals not only feel stronger, but also report less brittle nails, firmer skin, and better grip strength. If you have ever felt embarrassed by dropping items because your hands are weak, this snack could be your secret weapon. Snack number 8. Homemade gelatin cups made from real gelatin. You remember Jell-O from childhood, right? What if I told you that making your own with plain gelatin, fruit juice, and maybe some chopped fruit inside could become a delicious collagen treat? Real gelatin comes from animal collagen, and when you snack on it, you are literally feeding your joints. Plus, it is soft and easy to eat for anyone with dental issues. Imagine enjoying a sweet treat that does not damage your body, but instead strengthens it from the inside out. Now, let me bring this all together for you. Tingling hands and weak legs are not just random signs of aging. They are warnings that your body is lacking the raw material it needs to repair nerves, muscles, and connective tissue. Collagen is that raw material, and these snacks are the easiest way to bring it back into your daily life. Picture yourself walking with more stability, gripping your grandchild's hand with more strength, or simply waking up without that nagging tingling that makes you dread mornings. That is the life you deserve, and it is possible when you consistently add collagen-rich snacks to your day. I know some of you may be skeptical, and I understand. You have been told so many times that nothing can change these issues. But science shows otherwise. Studies prove that collagen supplementation improves muscle strength, reduces joint pain, and enhances nerve repair in older adults. And when you choose snacks instead of pills, you get not only collagen, but also protein, vitamins, and minerals that all work together to heal you. So here is what I want you to do. Think about which of these 8 snacks fits best into your lifestyle. Is it the crunchy chicken skin crisps, the comforting Greek yogurt with collagen powder, the easy-to-make gelatin cups? Tell me in the comments which one you will try first. Your answer might inspire someone else who is afraid to start. And let me leave you with this vision. Imagine 6 months from now, you bend down to pick up something from the floor and stand back up with ease. Your hands no longer tingle at night. Your legs feel stronger when you walk across the room. You smile because you realize you took control, one snack at a time, and gave your body what it had been missing for years. That is the power of collagen, and that is the gift you can give yourself starting today. So say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Say hello to strength, comfort, and vitality. All it takes is making these collagen-rich snacks part of your routine. Your future self will thank you.